Crews responded around 11 a.m. Tuesday morning to a broken water main at Seyon and River Streets. A WBZ News helicopter captured this photo while water was still pouring out onto the street. These photos by news photographer Matt Carter show the scene before all the water drained. The pavement had billowed and broken under all the pressure. Police blocked off traffic in every direction as state water and sewer officials isolated the line and ordered repairs. Water service nearby was unaffected, according to an MWRA official.
This feeds Watertown, Waltham area, and there are no service impacts to either community at this point.
McLaughlin was unaware of any gas issues. The biggest impact was to traffic in the surrounding streets.
I would say the evening commute's going to be very difficult.
Repairs were still underway as darkness fell Tuesday. Commuters did their best to navigate around the situation. For Waltham Newswatch, this is Chris Wangler.